my name is Allison Gilday, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to remove and reinsert seals onto Clecos and other static adapters. What you will need is some acetone, some glue, we use CA8 by 3M, a pencil, and a glue pot. The first step is to soak your old damaged rubber in acetone overnight. The seal should then be easier to remove. Scrape out any leftover bits. Now you should have a clean, smooth surface. Pour your glue into the glue pot. Take your pencil, dab it into the glue, and spread it into the seal holder evenly. Insert your seal with the numbers down so that the smooth side of the seal is facing up. Ensure that the seal is laying flat. Use your pencil to trace the seal in its seat. Lie flat and let sit to dry for 30 to 60 minutes.